Far beyond the familiar sights of Earth and Mars, in the depths of the outer solar system, there lies a world that seems untouchable, a world that challenges our understanding of the universe. Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, drifts silently in the cold void of space, its deep blue-green hue and swirling, storm-ravaged atmosphere a testament to its mystery. To many, it is just another gas giant, distant and inhospitable. But what if we told you that one day, humanity could take its place among the clouds of Uranus? What if we could build a city not just on Earth or on Mars, but on this far-flung world, far from the reach of Earth's comforting warmth? What if Uranus could be the next frontier for human civilization? At first glance, Uranus may seem a cruel place to call home. It is a planet of extremes, a thick atmosphere made of hydrogen and helium, frigid temperatures plunging to nearly minus 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and winds that howl across the planet at over 900 miles per hour, enough to uproot anything in their path. It is a world of mystery, where methane clouds swirl like a turbulent ocean, and its faint ring system barely visible from afar. The very conditions that make Uranus inhospitable to life as we know it, however, also make it a goldmine of untapped resources, a place where the next great leap in human expansion could unfold. Its extreme distance from the Sun has shielded it from human exploration. Yet, what if this is exactly what makes it ideal for the next chapter of human civilization? What if we could overcome the harsh conditions and harness Uranus's abundant natural resources to create a new home among the stars? Envision a city that floats high in the upper atmosphere of Uranus, above its crushing depths and howling storms, suspended in the serene blue clouds that stretch endlessly across the horizon. In this future, we don't attempt to conquer Uranus. Instead, we adapt to it. We live with it, creating a self-sustaining, futuristic metropolis, thriving amidst the gaseous expanse. This is not a world of heavy gravity or solid ground, but a world of innovation, where advanced technology allows humanity to thrive in ways never before thought possible. Floating platforms, each a sprawling island in the sky, house entire cities, providing homes, research centers, and recreational spaces. These platforms hover high above the tumultuous lower atmosphere, connected by transparent sky bridges, offering stunning views of the swirling storms below and the distant, cold beauty of the planet. The city would not be grounded by the limitations of solid land. Instead, the infrastructure of this bold new civilization would be suspended in the gaseous layers of Uranus, high enough to avoid the planet's extreme pressures and low temperatures, yet close enough to tap into the energy resources that Uranus offers. Large, circular floating platforms would serve as the foundation of this metropolis. These platforms, designed with advanced materials, would float gracefully, tethered to the atmosphere by magnetic fields that hold them securely in place, yet allow them to drift freely, adjusting as needed to environmental changes. These city blocks would be connected by transparent sky bridges, offering a constant flow of people and resources between districts. The design is not only functional but beautiful, offering residents a unique blend of high-tech innovation and the surreal beauty of Uranus' storm-swept skies. Within these floating cities, technology would transform the harsh, frigid atmosphere of Uranus into a place that feels like home. Each platform would feature sophisticated climate control systems, generating Earth-like conditions despite the hostile environment outside. Imagine walking through a lush park in the sky, where gravity is adjusted to mimic that of Earth, and every breath of air is fresh and clean. Artificial ecosystems would support hydroponic farms that provide food and oxygen, recycling every resource to create a self-sustaining habitat. Each platform would be a microcosm of Earth itself, a fully functioning, closed-loop environment where energy, water, and oxygen are produced from the very elements that make Uranus so inhospitable. It's a place where humanity adapts and thrives, using the planet's own resources to create a livable, vibrant community. Powering a city on Uranus is no small feat, but this is where the true potential of the gas giant lies. Uranus, rich in hydrogen and helium, provides the perfect resources for advanced fusion reactors, which could generate virtually limitless, clean energy for the city. These fusion reactors would harness the immense power of hydrogen fusion, tapping into a nearly inexhaustible energy source. And Uranus' very atmosphere, rich with gases like hydrogen, could be mined for fuel to power these reactors. Meanwhile, solar energy collected by high-efficiency panels placed beyond the atmosphere would complement the fusion power, ensuring that the city never runs out of energy. The abundance of helium-3, a rare isotope of helium, would further fuel these reactors, offering a future of energy security unmatched by anything on Earth. To travel between these floating cities, transportation must be swift, reliable, and efficient. A fleet of advanced spacecraft would move between the various platforms, navigating Uranus' upper atmosphere with ease. These vessels would be powered by the city's energy grid, using clean fusion energy and innovative propulsion systems. The floating platforms themselves would be connected by sleek, automated transport pods, traveling along sky bridges, ensuring that life within the city is interconnected and seamless. These pods would be designed to handle the challenges of the planet's atmosphere, able to adjust for extreme winds and temperature fluctuations. This is a city where distances are no longer barriers, where moving between the highest peaks of Uranus clouds feels as natural as stepping into an elevator. Building a city on Uranus comes with its own set of insurmountable challenges. The violent storms, the unpredictable wind speeds, the lack of a solid surface. All of these make survival on Uranus seem unthinkable. But human ingenuity has never shied away from such monumental obstacles. Advanced engineering and cutting-edge technology would allow the city's platforms to adapt to even the harshest conditions. The platforms themselves would be designed with materials stronger than anything we've built before, able to withstand extreme pressure, temperature fluctuations, and hurricane-force winds. Automated systems would constantly monitor environmental conditions, adjusting the city's position in real time to keep it safe and secure. Resilience is key. Even in the face of disaster, this city would stand firm, a testament to human ingenuity. This floating city represents more than just a place to live. It represents the next chapter in humanity's story. It is the product of our unyielding quest for knowledge, our desire to explore the cosmos, and our ability to adapt to the harshest of environments. Imagine a future where families live and work among the clouds, where children grow up in the safety of a city that stretches its tendrils into the very fabric of space. Scientists, pioneers, and dreamers would call this place home, conducting groundbreaking research on the mysteries of the gas giants and the universe beyond. This is not science fiction. This is a future where humanity no longer looks at the stars from a distance, but steps forward to claim its place among them. Uranus is no longer just an enigmatic, frozen world. It is a promise that the human spirit can overcome any challenge, no matter how insurmountable it may seem. In the not-too-distant future, we may look out at the swirling clouds of Uranus not as distant observers, but as inhabitants of a thriving, self-sustaining city. From the farthest reaches of the solar system, humanity will rise, reaching for the stars, and in doing so, create a future that stretches across the heavens.